Good morning students. Welcome back to your online class. In the previous class, we got to know about the natural boundaries of India. In today's class, we are going to talk about the neighboring countries of India. But before starting today's topic, let's just recall all the previously learned topics. In the introduction part of this chapter, I told you that India is the seventh largest country in the world. India is located in the continent Asia. If we talk about the population of our country, India ranks second after China in population. That means India is the second most populated country in the world. Then we learnt the topic natural boundaries of India. We got to see that India is surrounded by boundaries from four sides. In the northern side, Himalayan range, in the west, Arabian Sea, in the east, Bay of Bengal, and in the south, Indian Ocean. What do you understand by the term neighbor? You all know that a person who lives next to our house is known as neighbor, right? So, the same way we are going to read about the neighboring countries of India today. As you know that neighbor is a person who lives next to our house, in this chapter as we are going to talk about the neighboring countries means the country which is situated just next to our country, that is India. So, as we are going to talk about it, but before talking on the topic neighboring countries of India, I want you to look at the physical map and see all the countries which surround India. Look at the physical map of India and try to recognize the countries which surround India. All those countries which surround India are our neighboring countries. As we have seen the physical map of India, now from that it is very clear that India is surrounded by many countries. India is having many neighboring countries. As you have seen in the map, India shares its boundaries with China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north direction. If we talk about northwest direction, Pakistan and Afghanistan share its boundary with India. In the east side, Myanmar and Bangladesh share its boundary with India. And from south side, Sri Lanka share its boundary with India. That means all these major countries are neighboring countries of India. There are in general 7 countries that India share its boundary with. There are around 17 Indian states that are located on the international border. All these 17 states share its boundary with 1, 2 or 3 countries. The Indian states that are located on international border in order from east to west are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura in the northeast, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim in the northern plains, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand in the extreme north, Rajasthan and our very own Gujarat in the west. Those Indian states which shares international border with different countries. Pakistan. Pakistan shares its international border with Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. China shares its border with Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Nepal shares its international border with Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim. Bhutan shares its international border with Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Bangladesh shares its international border with West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Myanmar shares its international border with Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. If we talk about Afghanistan, Afghanistan shares its international border with Jammu and Kashmir, that is, the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, which is formerly known as POK. In the course book, there is a section I Think and Reflect. There it is written that India is having many neighboring countries, and a question is asked that what kind of relationship we should maintain with our neighbors. So, I would like to add some points to that. We should always maintain good relations with our neighbors. To keep our relations good with our neighbors, we should always take them as our family. Keep in mind that when we are in need, a good neighbor will be the first one to come help. Even the relatives will come later. So, we should always try to maintain good and friendly relations with our neighbors. We should try to give them a treat or a party, or we should go along with them to the trips and try to strengthen our relationships. The same way, our country India also tries to strengthen its relationships with the neighboring countries. It tries to provide every help whenever the neighboring countries are in need. Because India believes in peace and it does not believe in war. The same way, we should maintain our relationships with our neighbors and we should not think of any fight or war. But instead, we should try to maintain good relations and should have more fun with our neighbors. Now, as we have completed the topic for today's class, let's just have a quick revision of whatever we learnt. I told you that there are 7 neighboring countries of India. They are China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east, and Sri Lanka in the south. Then we discussed about such Indian states which are located on the international border. There are around 17 Indian states which share its boundary with 1, 2 or 3 countries. They are Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland and Tripura in the northeast. If we talk about northern plains, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim. In the extreme north, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and in the west side, Rajasthan and our very own Gujarat. Thanks for watching this video. Lastly, I want to say, wear your mask and follow social distancing. Toodles!